Now I will show you how to quickly change wallpaper on Xiaomi Redmi. Let's get started. First of all, we pinch the free part of the screen with our finger. After a couple of seconds, we see the widget menu. Next, we click on the icon on the right. In the opened window, we choose a wallpaper for our Android. When we have decided on the choice, we press the Apply button. Next, choose where we want to install the wallpaper. Everything is ready. I hope you have easily coped with it thanks to our instructions. Thank you for your comments, likes, and subscriptions. Have a nice day.